along with me. I don't think you've ever been on my channel, have you?
In the distance.
In the distance. Oh yeah, she was in my last video. Far away. So
I don't
today,
like to be in the camera.
Today she's going to make me look like her. She's going to use all her own makeup, and we're going to see if she makes me look similar to her. I used to have dark hair, but now I got some balayage, so we look a little bit different. But every time we go out, people say we look alike.
Okay, so this is the makeup that I usually do if I want to look halfway decent when I go out for the day.
Yeah, just like your everyday makeup look.
And I'll even go work out and then go out afterwards, and then I just have to pat my face like that after the sweat, and then I still kind of look okay because I have some products that last through a workout.
Yeah.
So this is Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. You guys probably know it better than I am because I just learned about it, in Cashew. It's a little bit darker than I am right now, but because summer's here, that's why I went with it.
Yeah, it's gonna make me look bronzed.
When I'm in a hurry, sometimes I use my hands, which I know isn't really like the best thing to do.
I like using my hands.
And maybe with Hannah I'm not, because I'm going towards her face. It's just easier coming at your face, but I'll use a beauty blender as I'm putting it on her.
She has her damp beauty blender. It's gonna be so dark on me.
I don't think. It looks really dark even on me, but sometimes you go darker than I do. It's just wet.
Why so wet?
Because I noticed this is a little dry, and I'm actually hoping that it's not too dry for you. So this is Estee Lauder. I kind of got talked into it. And this is me in a hurry, okay? So I do things a little sloppy in the morning.
Yeah. This is what it looks like so far. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Youth Infusing Bright Serum and Concealer. Brightening Serum and Concealer.
Yeah, and it's not drying at all. It doesn't crease.
Yeah. It looks really good on you. Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah, I think it's just kind of brightening. I use that a little bit later. See that it has a stick end?
Oh, yeah.
And then a kind of like a creamy, very light, more brightening end.
What are you using for the brows?
Well, Anastasia.
Yeah.
Brow Wiz.
What color?
I just bought the new one.
Soft brown, I think.
Soft brown, yeah. Is that what it is? And Hannah has like nearly perfect brows, so you don't have to do a lot to her brows.
Except I have like a unibrow right now.
Usually, if I'm in a hurry in the morning, I don't really necessarily put eyeliner on. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of a shadow on, so I'll do that today just because I want to try this new pretty.
Oh yeah, show them up close.
Smashbox, like that.
Do it
like this. What's this called, Hannah? Smashbox. Vlada plus Vlada. Oh, maybe it's a lady's name. It's like the whole line is like rose gold. They're super pretty.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
And I've been using it on my lips and
it looks really good on your eyes.
But honestly, I'm not going to put hardly anything on Hannah.
I normally don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. I feel like my eyes can look kind of droopy when or just dark and
just a little, but yeah, I just like a little for some depth. Look up.
But normally I always put like a little bronzer in there.
Open your eye for me. That got a lot darker than I wanted it to.
That feels so weird on my eyeball.
But it kind of feels good.
But it does kind of feel
good. Just relax and enjoy it. I'm actually having a harder time doing this side.
Let me see. Oh.
You see it turn that way for me.
Let me show them.
Good job, Mom.
That's smart.
That's good.
That looks good.
Now
she puts like darker right here and above in the crease, which I kind of like. I never really do that.
Yeah, that's just called in a hurry. So then I do a little blush, especially as you get my age. You guys probably don't need it as much.
I love blush. I can't do the lip without blush. Oh,
really?
Show them this.
Oh, I love this. And I probably should have got the bigger one, but I wanted to test it out. But it's the Mini Gold Rush Benefit Blush. It's perfect for summer. I'm a little far away.
That's good.
See, we work as a team. And this girl's got cute little cheeks.
I got big cheeks.
No.
You don't have big cheeks like me.
I don't think you have big cheeks. I think you have little everything.
They're kind of chubby.
Okay. So I kind of like in a hurry again, just like a little here and a little there.
I always put a little on my nose.
Just to be sun-kissed.
Where the natural sun hits.
Yes.
That's so pretty.
This is new and I haven't used it very much.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And this, again, is Old Lady Makeup, Estee Lauder.
But I really like that.
And it's actually called, and I liked it because it was a little creamy. How do you say that in French? Jelly?
Let me see. Bronze Goddess Illuminating Powder.
And then jelly.
Jelly. Let me show them up close.
Okay.
This is the packaging. It's so pretty. And then this is the
It's
highlight.
gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
And
Let me
especially in the
swatch them.
summer. Lip, little bit on your lips, little bit on your brow.
I don't even know if they can see that, but it's so fine too. It's like
Yeah, see how it has such a
fine.
pretty glow? Just almost, it's natural. It's
Yeah.
not too strong. I tend to go crazy with this, so I use a kind of a smaller
You're not
brush.
a big bronzer girl, huh?
Oh, I'm going to put bronzer on you. I
Okay.
do.
You do.
Yeah. Today I didn't as much. So, like, okay, I might just hit it right there, right?
Yeah.
So she's a
Brow
bronzer.
bone highlight.
Yeah. So I tend to kind of put highlighter, blush,
Bronzer.
bronzer, then blend everything together.
Yeah.
So I take that and I usually take kind of more of a dense brush. What is this? I got this a long time ago. It's a Techniques.
Real Techniques brush.
And it just is a little more dense. Now my lips, and I always like this, my son-in-law, her husband, I leave the house, because I usually keep my lip gloss in the car, and I leave my house and I have strong brown lip liner on. Pink and brown,
What was that from?
I'm still 80s.
Like the 80s?
The 80s. But I'm sorry, I still love it.
She
And I
puts brown lip liner. I think it looks
brown
pretty.
lip liner, and a lot of times I'll take, where is it? This, and I've used this since I got married, what, 18 years ago, 16 years ago.
Yeah.
Benefits Eye Bright, even under, did I do it again?
Mommy, you said like this. Benefits Eye Bright.
Stop!
Just go like that. Like that.
I think I'm trying to get it right there.
Okay.
I will put this almost like under my lip to make me look like I have a good big lip,
Pouty lip.
pouty lip. And then just right at the, what's this called, the Cupid's bow?
Yeah.
And then sometimes even here. And even up here, but I don't want to blend that all out right now, so we're not going to do all that.
Okay.
Beauty blender again. And I just kind of blend it in.
It does look like more plump around that
It
area.
really does, and that thing lasts forever. But you see how sloppy I put that on? It's okay. It blends out good,
Yeah.
because I don't wear it like that. But I remember when Kyle was at our
Yeah.
house, and he said like this. Before I walked out to my car to put
She
my
was
lip
just
gloss.
like this, and she didn't put her lip gloss on yet.
And I said, "Are you staring at my lips?" And he said, "How could you tell? Smile with your mouth closed." Thank you.
And then she has a signature lip gloss.
This one is holographic tart. I don't ever know. Is it
Tartiste?
Tartiste?
I think it's like Artiste, but in Tartiste.
Yeah, Tartiste by Tarte.
And it's
Holographic,
blue.
and I think it's their whole mermaid line.
Yeah.
And a long time ago, Benefit came out with California
Sun or California
Girl lip gloss, and they said, you know, if you wear blue near your mouth, your teeth look whiter. So I've always,
So we're gonna see if
Yeah.
it does.
but usually I'm gonna put a little pink on her, and this is by Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner, and it's Lovecraft.
I love that color.
And I add just a little pink to the brown, because I'm 80s.
Mm-hmm.
Hannah, take your finger and go like this to the line.
Yeah,
And
it doesn't look
And then
bad.
go like that to the line. And I just go all around my lip line with my finger. And then just make sure you wipe your finger off, because then sometimes I'll touch my face and it
It
creates
looks like a
problem.
natural color. I like
And then
that.
I'm going to let her put on the lip gloss.
This is her signature lippy, guys. It's like a blue pink metallic color. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty.
And they stopped making the one from Benefit, and I got really sad about it. It has tried to make one.
Uh-huh.
Well, now everybody's making the holographic stuff.
It smells like icing, too.
Yeah, and for summertime, I just think I like to glow like a goddess.
Uh-huh.
And normally I would put mascara on before lip gloss.
But I just mentioned the lip first.
The other thing, this is really important.
Look at her cute, also, sorry I cut you
Go
off.
ahead, go ahead.
Look at these cute eyelash curlers.
Mermaid.
It's like a little
It's
mermaid tail.
the Tarte mermaid
So
line.
freaking cute. You want me to curl my lashes
Yeah,
real quick?
curl them. Okay, so Sephora stopped carrying this, and I'm super sad about it. It's the Deja Vu Fiber Wig. And
Yeah.
I teach a lot of cycling classes and sweat a lot. And as I get older, I don't want to rub my eye all the time with makeup remover because I just feel like it creates wrinkles. But basically, I know that they've had others that come off with warm water. What was that brand? I couldn't stand it.
I can't remember.
This is great. Doesn't burn my eyes.
And it literally just comes off like fibers, like this.
Yeah,
and you just pull
with
them
warm
off.
water, and that's it.
Yeah, I love that.
And then when I sweat, sometimes it'll flake, and literally all I do after I teach a class, and I mean, I'm sweating a lot. I go like that, and go like that.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
I love
Fiber
that.
wig. I have good, oh.
That's stupid.
But you know what? Doesn't even matter because this mascara comes off so easy.
Alright, so I put my mascara on. Now I need to use that. So I kind of let this dry for a second. And then you just take a Q-tip. It pretty much comes right off without smearing.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
See? I think
Yeah.
the makeup looks just nice and
It looks good. So
simple.
spray me with your thing and then we'll compare each other.
Okay, so I don't Mario Badescu. I used to
Yeah.
use this years ago. It's really old, but this is the facial spray with aloe and chamomile. And I know lavender can be strong for some people, but I like fresh and clean.
Yeah. Ooh.
Sorry,
It's
were you
okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
That reminds me of the spa.
Yes, that's what it reminds us of.
We go
The
to this
spa.
spa every so often in California.
It's called
And
Glen Ivy
Glen Ivy.
Hot Springs. If you ever get a chance, go there. It's awesome.
That smells like them
So this
so much.
finishes off the look, and it's
Yeah.
a nice, lovely glow.
It looks so good.
And it's like skincare.
Okay guys, so here is the comparison. My camera just kind of died, so this is what we look like. I think you did such a good job.
Thank you.
She's really good at makeup anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll link her Instagram down below if you want people to follow you. Do you want people to?
Sure.
All my followers.
I need to.
All my subscribers I have.
You should subscribe to her.
Yeah.
She's got the it factor, guys.
Guys, I do.
She
Yeah.
does.
You just had to say that because you're my mom. So thanks so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below.
And subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
And that little bell. I like that little bell.
Yeah. Do you know what it is?
Well, it dings me every time you put a video.
Oh, good. Yeah, so push the notification bell if you guys want to be notified when I post new videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.